was amazing because there's so much about technology that I'm not familiar with. And honestly, the way you ladies, Karen and Mo, helped me through just that step by step. And I'm slow with all this learning process, and you ladies being so patient. And it just, the way you explain things, it just made it easier for me to understand it and feel comfortable, because technology is not my forte. So definitely amazing for me. I've learned so much. You helped me create my LinkedIn program and other things. And now I'm so excited. I'm really, really looking forward to go home and get my hands into it and become more familiar and work with it too. So thank you. No, definitely I recommend it to everyone out there, because you don't speak the tech language. You really speak our language, and the step by step that you got me through was extremely helpful.